How to remove credit card from TikTok account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can remove credit card from TikTok account. For that, launch open the TikTok app on your device. Now, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Now, out of these options, select Balance, which is under the account section. Now it will bring you to this interface. Here you will have your balance. Now you want to tap on the live reward option. Then you will be able to see your available balance here. Go ahead and tap on the withdraw option. Once you tap on the withdraw option, you will find all of your payment methods there. Now, if you want to remove your credit card from TikTok account, you want to tap on the manage option for payment methods. Then you want to select the credit card you want to remove. After that, tap on the delete option at the bottom of your screen. It will ask you for confirmation. Simply confirm that you want to delete your credit card, and with these simple steps, you are able to remove your credit card from TikTok account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.